Hello everyone, I hope you're doing fantastic. Thank you for tuning into our Valley of the Sun real estate channel and watching our videos. Today, I'll be taking us on a tour of a just listed single-story home in Coolidge, Arizona. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Most of the flooring is newer and many of the windows have been replaced. A bonus, it sits on a huge fenced-in lot. Another bonus, there are fruit trees everywhere for your enjoyment. My name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team, and we would be honored to help with your buying and or selling, renting, investing. Perhaps it's time to upsize or downsize. My contact information can be found below. But for now, let's get on with the tour of this home in Coolidge, Arizona. So far, so good, huh? Remember, if you're interested, give us a call or text or email, whatever you like. But here's a couple of things you may not have noticed. If you did, good eye. If you didn't, I'm pointing them out for you. That's what we do. We help you. 1, there's a studio apartment, and below it, there's a workshop. Plus, there's parking for an additional 12 vehicles. Probably more, but who's counting? Okay, let's finish it up.